His help has finally come through for 78-year-old grandmother living in squalor at Nangoma village in Busia County. This after her predicament was highlighted yesterday on NTV. Well-wishers who watch the harrowing tales of the granny have committed some money to build a new house for the elderly woman. Already building materials have been delivered to the home, and as Zachaeus mwasame reports, the granny should soon have a new abode.
For 3 years, she has lived in this structure, hidden away from the prying public eye. That is until NTV exposed her plight, leading to an outpouring of help.
Hii iko hapa miaka tatu. Mtu tu ndiye ilikuja ikaanza kukula hii nyumba.
Today, her compound was a beehive of activities. Well-wishers led by Busia County First Lady Judy Ojamong, she came bearing her roofing material for Leonida's new house. Soon after, area MCA followed suit by donating 10,000 towards the same project. A youth group from the area is already in the process of putting the building materials to use by constructing Leonida's new house. However, the project is far from complete and more funds are required. Well-wishers can donate through an M-Pesa pay bill number 855447 with the name Rescue Granny Leonida.
Kwa hivyo well-wishers, donors ambao mtaka kutusaidia, msaidie mama mpendwa, wacha tumsaidie.
Hii nyumba nilikuwa nafanya estimate hesabu kidogo kwa kichwa. Na naona tunajenga semi. Tangu tumalize hiyo semi tuweke plaster, the cost itakuwa the same kama kujenga permanent structure.
And as the project takes off, Leonida is optimistic that soon she will have a decent place to live in. For now, it is still back to the dangerous makeshift house that she has lived for 3 years now. Zachaeus mwasame, NTV, Zachaeus in Busia County.